Please welcome the promising young vocalist, Asalee Leverage. Today, Asalee will transport us to a traditional French Christmas with her performance of Bring a Torch, Jeanette Isabelle. To enhance her performance, Asalee will be dressed in a shepherdess costume, just like the French children who traditionally sang this carol while walking to Christmas Mass. Asalee will be joined by her little reindeer, Evan Lech, Donald Leverage, and Sterling Mackin, and will be accompanied by the skilled harpist, Dr. Jeremy Chester. We invite you to enjoy Asalee's beautiful rendition of this classic Christmas carol.